Meaning of handwriting.
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 Handwriting. Handwriting refers to the artistic or mechanical skill of writing by hand using a pen, pencil, or other writing instrument. It is a unique representation of an individual's personality and style, reflecting their thoughts and emotions through the written word. Handwriting analysis, also known as graphology, is often used to assess personality traits and psychological conditions. The study of handwriting has been linked to neuroscience and can provide insight into cognitive development and motor skills. Overall, handwriting is a fundamental form of communication that allows individuals to express themselves creatively.